Good morning. Following these stands and travel. English 2. My name is Claudia Fula, UNAD 2019. Stand 1. The weather in Villanueva Casanare for this day is variant. We are in winter, but there are days that it's raining in the morning. In the afternoon, it is sunny. Stand 2. It's recommended to have anti-flu as a preventive measure due to changing in climate. It is necessary that in the morning hours wash clothes. 3. It is important that in the afternoon use sharking. You can stop eating meat in the llanera, your typical dish. We mustn't depart for rain days in the morning basically. Star 3. People, students be separate from in the group they go with. Before taking some food in should and while is contenting is the something is total different. People must do to be beautiful plains in Villanueva Casanare. They must be craft in souvenir of the trip. Thank you.